Hello viewers, welcome to AWS Technology. Today we will discuss about the topic of MySQL. After that we will discuss about ETL testing. Before that, the foundation or basic foundation we have to know. For that, we need to know about MySQL. So that's why I'm telling about the topic of MySQL today. MySQL. MySQL start with the topic MySQL. ETL test దీని నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్లో ఈటీఎల్ టెస్టింగ్ అనేది చెప్తాను. దానికి అది తెలుసుకోవాలంటే దీని బేసిక్స్ MySQL తెలుసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్. దీంట్లో రాసే క్వరీస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి అనేది మనం చూస్తున్నాం ఈ టాపిక్లో. దీనికి ఈ MySQL రన్ చేయడానికి కోసం టూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఆ టూల్స్ ఏవేవో నేను చెప్తాను. బిఫోర్ దట్, టు రన్ దిస్ MySQL we need our tools. So those tools I will write down here. First one is MySQL server. Second one is Oracle DB 2, and third one is Oracle 11G edition. I prefer for you first one and third one. You can use these two. These two tools are very easy and eco-friendly for to write the queries. Very easy to run the queries. MySQL server and Oracle 11G edition. Okay, let's start the session from basics of MySQL. We'll discuss about from basics. First basics, conditional classes. Conditional classes in the MySQL. So what is conditional classes? So what is a conditional classes? Conditional classes itself having the query or the expression having some certain conditions, some set of condition. We will get clear it down. Books are done. The query or expression having some conditions, nothing but conditional classes. So in these condition classes, first one is distinct class, second one is order by class, third one is first one is distinct class, second one is order by class, third one is where class, fourth one is unclass, and fifth one is R class, and last one is like class. So these are the 6 classes considered in conditional classes. These are the 6 statements we will use in this conditional statements. So we'll discuss one by one now. So first one is distinct class. So what is distinct class? distinct class. So what is a distinct class? Distinct class is nothing but it will remove or delete the duplicates of a in a statement. Again I will tell you, distinct class is a class, it will remove or delete the duplicates in a statement. Like for example saying syntax. I will write syntax here. Select star from table name. Distinct class. Sorry. Select star from table name. Distinct syntax distinct. So here in this a table has having we are considering one table. In that table it will eliminate the duplicates. It will eliminate the duplicates in a certain table. This is nothing but distinct class. It will eliminate in a table duplicates. Removes duplicates in a particular table. This is nothing but distinct class. We'll discuss about next one. Order by class. Next one, order by class. Order by class is nothing but considering the table or statement. It can order the or sorting, or we can do a sort of table by doing ascending or ascending order or descending order. Once again I will tell, order by class is a class that in a statement or a table it will sort the customer data or customer data or whatever data in a table into ascending order or descending order. Syntax. Select so star from table name, ascending or descending, semicolon. This is how we will return the order by class statement. We will neither have a case of a ascending order or descending order, not both. We will access only one time of one statement, ascending order or descending order. Descending order. Next one is where class. Third one is where class. Where class is a class in a statement or a table expression will get a comparison over the in a table where condition will mean clearly I will say that in any table or a statement you can consider this where class for getting a valid customer or any data. Syntax select start from table name where customer id equal to 1 semicolon. So we perform a condition where expression for this table will perform expression where expression in this table for getting the customer id in this table. So that's why we have a class called where class. Next one is and class. What is and class? Actually, MySQL is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive case sensitive language. Uh, structure query language. Okay. Actually, MySQL SQL means structure query language, but also it will be a case sensitive language. We'll write uppercase letters or smaller letters in writing a query. While writing a query, we can write smaller letters or upper letters while executing a query. Not both. Syntax for run. Select star from table name customer id equal to 1 and customer id equal to 2 simple. Unclass is a class. It will perform comparison operator between comparison operator or comparison operation in this table of customers, and it will return the values whatever comparison we will taken here. This is what unclass. Same here in R class also. R class. Same. In the place of one, we will use our class. Select from table name customer ID 1 or customer ID 2. We will return a state. We will return a result in expression. Whatever expression we will use will reflect to this table name. Take the table. Table. We'll having expression of R. We will return a result. Will reflect that, and it will get from table only. Hello viewers. Hello viewers. Welcome to Avis Technology. Today we discuss about the topic of MySQL, more from basics to advanced skills class. So our conditional classes will completed. Next we will discuss about character functions. So we will see the character functions, how it will be using MySQL. Character functions. These character functions are divided into these character functions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These character functions are also 6 types. So first one is init char. And the second one is upper, lower, well trim, R trim, last one is decode. So init cap is the function, character function. Init cap is a character function that which capitalize the first initial letters. Which capitalize the initial letters. Example, saying customer name is customer name Avinash. So in his customer name, initial name is this one, no? Initial capital. This will be capitalized. This will belongs to capital A. This is what the init cap. This will be called as init cap. So this small letter A will become as capital A. The result will be Avinash. Before this A will be small a, now it will become capital A. How? We will use init cap function. So coming to uppercase function, same as this init cap, it will work as a init cap, but syntax for this one is select select start from customer name upper. So table name, select start from table name upper customer name semicolon. So this upper function will return the customer, whatever customer data in this table will become uppercase words, saying the table having smaller names or uppercase letters also will return uppercase names only. So like this, AVINA message. Naveen, Reshma, like this it will return in a particular table. So next one is lower. Same upper character function only. Select start from table name. Here we will write lower customer name. Or customer name semicolon. What it will get? It will get only the lowercase letters instead of uppercase names. It will convert into lowercase like this. Avinash, Naveen, Reshma. It will convert into lowercase letters. Though it will be capital letter, it will convert into lowercase only. Before we will use uppercase statement, it will convert lowercase letters into capitalized letters. But coming to this lowercase, it will convert into lowercase only. Next one is L-trim. L-trim character function. Syntax for this is select start from table name L-trim customer student name semicolon. Name, semicolon. Ltrim, Ltrim is a character function which will trim left side of the name. Say in this table, the student name will be Dinesh. Saying his name will be Dinesh. Student name. Student name will be Dinesh. So while perform this Ltrim function, character function, it will trim this left side of the name of the Dinesh. It will trim D. The result will be D only. It will trim D. If you mention Ltrim equal to, if you give the value of Ltrim 2 like this, it will trim 2 words, Di. Else it will give Ltrim of 3, it will trim for 3 words, Din. Or else if we give 4, it will use E. It will take E. This is how it will trim the names of a particular table. This is how the Ltrim function of character function works. The same way rtrim also. Right trim. Trim. Rtrim. Rtrim. Student name equal to Dinesh. If you not mention any value, it will trim only H. If you mention 1, it will again take. If you give a value of 1, it will take SH. If you give a value of 2, it will take E. It will give a value. If you give a value of 3, it will take N. Like that, it will trim the words of a, or it will trim the words from this table name, from the table name. This is how the rtrim function, character function works. And next one is decode. Next one is decode function. Next one is decode function. Decode function is a function, character function. Whatever expression you will return, the expressions, whatever we will use, it will compare the expressions in table 1 and table 2. It will return the it will comparison the table 1 and table 2 regarding the decode expression. It will compare between table 1 and table 2, and the result it will get from fill checks from, we'll tell again. Decode function is a function having a table 1. and separate tables. Table 1 and table 2 will having a character function of decode. We will return expression saying of decode once. It will check both tables having whatever information or data in a table 1 is existing in a table 2. If it will be existing in table 1, it will get the result of, when it will print, it will, we will get a statement from table, table 1 only, table 1 only. I will tell you once again, this table 1, this one is table 2. We will having some set of data, in this data table 1 and this table data 2. This decode character function checks these data in table 1. This table this table 1 data in table 2. It will checks if the data is table 1, table 1 is same in table 2. It will return the statement of this table 1 only expression. This is the decode expression. Whatever, I will tell you once again, whatever data in a table 1, same it will checks from table 2, and it will prints a data in a, it will print the data of table 1 only without duplicates. This is what decode. ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్ 1 ఉంది డేటా, ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్ 2లో ఉంది డేటా. ఈ టేబుల్ 1లో ఉన్న డేటానే ఎక్స్ప్రెషనే, అదే డేటానే టేబుల్ 2లో ఉంటే టేబుల్ 1 ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది డూప్లికేట్స్ లేకుండా. అది డీకోడ్ ఒక ఫంక్షన్, క్యారెక్టర్ ఫంక్షన్. దీని మనం సింటాక్స్ ఎలా రాసాం చూద్దాం. Syntax: select star from table name table 1, decode table 2, semicolon. So we will get output. If the table having the data in a table 2, it will print only table 1. If not, it will print table 2 only. This is about decode function. Next we will discuss about aggregate functions. Mathematical functions in how we will execute the aggregate functions in SQL, structure query format.